Hello students, today is our class number. Today we will learn the same sample of engulfing. After engulfing, we will learn the liquidity level and the entry module. As our number wise classes are going on, we will have a maximum of 30 classes. Currently there are 18 classes and 12 are pending. 12 classes are still pending, so we will cover them completely. I explain this in every video. You only need to take the engulfing of day 1. How to take the engulfing of day 1? This candle has been loaded here. This will be our engulfing, okay? Similarly, if we look at the bullish side, and if we look at the setup of the bearish side, like there's a bullish candle on one side and the very next candle has swapped it here, meaning it has swapped its high and come below its low. Here, see, this buy candle has been swapped by this entire candle. After swapping its high, it has come below its low. Here, see, after swapping its high, it has also come below its low. We can take this pattern as well. If this is a sell candle, then the very sell candle has also swapped its high. This candle is also profitable for us. We also take it as engulfing, okay? After that, we enter on H1. For example, this is a bearish setup. When the market is coming bearish and when the market becomes bullish in this condition, we set the sell setup. Set the buy setup when the market comes to pick its range liquidity. We gauge it, okay? It's very simple. After that, we take its liquidity here. How do we take it? Market cycle and liquidity. For example, the market is going like this. I explain this to you every time so that you also understand something. Here, see, buy set, sell set liquidity has happened here. Here, buy set, sell set liquidity has happened. So the market cycle from here to here has completed. Now in this, the market will pick whom? It will pick these people, and these people. Then the market cycle will form and then we will use it again. This trade was with our market cycle, which we were targeting with turnaround liquidity. This was the previous class. You can see that too. Now let's start the next one here. Rate it here. See, the market is done now. If the market is to be bearish, we have this entire sell candle here. See, this candle hasn't been tapped for our market yet. To tap it, if we make it bearish, otherwise the market will do sell set, buy set liquidity, and we will gauge it. Here this candle has swapped the low of this candle, so there are chances of the market going bullish. But which session is the market in? It's the Asian session right now. We wait for the bigger session here. See, buy set, sell set has happened here, so we wait for a bigger session. Now if we want to buy here, where is the bigger session? This bigger session is above. So if you see what has the market done? It has done sell set liquidity and buy set liquidity, and we don't have an entry here. There's no engulfing here, so we don't have a base. There's nothing as a base here. Our base is bigger on the sell side here, so it's more suitable to sell rather than buy. We can see its structure better, and all these range liquidities are lying here, which the market is going to target. There is no such zone that will make it bullish. We will make it bullish from here. We will do it from here. Okay. We keep sitting with the structure to see what the market does. The market has turned bearish again because we don't have that zone here. See, the market has turned bearish. We don't have any engulfing pattern here on which we can base a sell or buy. They are lying above. See, after faking this low, the market can go up or come down after taking the upper level. So here, we just wait. The market has turned bullish. Bullish, gauge it here. See, it hasn't tapped into our zone yet. Here, what is it? Its high has been swapped, so we wait because our zone is lying above. Otherwise, if engulfing forms here, then we will do it. So here we wait. What happened in the market is that the high has been swapped. So now this one low remains. Now see here, the market is correcting. See here, the market has started correcting and the market has done this. On this side, on the bearish side, we wait for the upper zone to be tapped. See, after this low, if the market makes it bullish, we can go up by keeping it below this low, which is risky. See, the market has started to become bullish. So we target this zone below any low. Simple. See here, the same SL and TP have happened. I see an engulfing forming. Let's see which session it is. The Asian session is about to open. Wait, we wait here. A bullish pattern is forming here. See here, a bullish engulfing pattern has formed here. Okay, now it's suitable for us that the market taps it and we make it bullish. The market hasn't tapped it yet. What did the market do here? The market tapped its upper zone, meaning this zone now can also fail because the market was above where we were selling it. So here now we have the London session. We wait here. It hasn't shifted yet. If you see here, it has shifted. The buy set has also happened and the sell liquidity has also happened. So here if you see, its range liquidity hasn't formed. Its range liquidity hasn't formed here. So which zone is it? The market has tapped the zone here, and if we look at it on 15 minutes and 5 minutes, how big is it becoming? So we set the SL here up to 20. We set the SL to a full $20 here, okay? And what will be our target? It can be this, because the market can also take its reversal from here. And if we talk about the full target, our SL will be the same, and the full target will have to come below this low for the market, okay, because it's on the upper engulfing. So here we wait for H1 and the session to see which session the market is in. The session is still in the London session, it's running. No doubt we wait for the Gurbi session. We release the session here. The outside session is about to open. Wait, it hasn't come yet. This is our new easy move session opening here. The high session has opened, so see all its liquidities are being accepted. If you see on 15 minutes, the market itself taps on the zone and is at the buy set, sell set, turnaround range liquidity. So here we do another of its sales, and if we do it daily, we can go here. You do this here to see what the market does. It's the New York session. The New York session is 15 minutes, taking its liquidities. Liquidities are done. Now, which zone is the market tapping into? It's tapping into the lower zone. Okay, see here, which zone is the market tapping into? It's tapping into the H1 zone. And I was saying the market can become bullish from here. See here, sell set turnaround range liquidity hasn't been picked yet. If there was any SL, we would re-enter it. No doubt we have an SL here, and if you see, our structure is also clear. The buy set is done and the sell set is also done, and now its range liquidities are lying here, which the market is picking here. Okay, what did the lower one do? It made it bullish, and what is the upper one doing? It's making it bearish. No doubt we sell it. And what will our target be? It will be the same zone. Let's place it here, and now we play it. Let's see on H1. The session could be New York again. We say here so that our sample is done. Look here, its range liquidity was fixed. The market was bearish, all red hours. In the duration it will go, because this one was making it engulfing bearish. Look, our market has trended so much. Otherwise, let's see here. Yes, here we have marked an engulfing which hasn't been tapped yet. So the market can come to tap it. And if we look at it, target, we can make the target the lower zone. Now let's see what the market does. Let's wait for the next candle. Look here, the next candle opens bearish. Look here, it's sweeping, it's low. The market is bearish, oil is bearish. And look at this. After tapping in the same zone, the market is becoming bullish. Here it's making it bullish in the same zone. All right, if you see here, what the market does is, if the market had to go bullish, we have to wait for the sell setup to be picked. This is also picked. This is also picked. It's done here. This zone is about to be swept, which was bullish and bearish. So it's about to be tapped here. If the market has to come bearish after tapping a little, it should come bearish. So just wait. Just wait. If we look at the lower engulfing, what is the market doing? From the lower engulfing, buy side, sell side, and its internal range liquidity, this has increased. From here, the market is becoming bullish. From here, the market is bullish. Why are we giving bearish? Because the market hasn't yet completed its cycle. Until it does sell side, buy side, we won't see it as bullish or bearish. Otherwise, if you see, it's tapping in this zone. Our trade was from this zone to this zone because it was a sell. Now, if we see here, the market fell from above here. So in this, all the range liquidities were picked. If the structure changes here, we have its high session volume here. Look, there's high session volume here. If the structure changes here, we will enter it. Look, the structure hasn't changed on minute one yet. So if we plan the trade on minute one with the tail, what is our SL? Our SL is here. Keep the SL here, and we do the targets of the tail. But let's see what happens here. No issue. The what happened in the market here is still bullish. No issue. We kept our SL small for this reason. Now this is a candle. This is a candle. All right. There are two candles for bullish. If you see the cycle here, the cycle hasn't become bullish yet. We still have to wait for its cycle. The market has swept the previous day's high, its internal range, but the market is picking up here. And if you see the loss, it's standing here with it. All right, let's wait here, see what the market is doing, buy side and sell side. Both are there. Which session is it? The session is London now. So what can we do here? We take a sell here. Otherwise, we will wait here, wait for the session here. We target it here and wait now. See the session volume here. If the buy side runs, which session was in the market? Now it came, now the session came. The session also came in our favor. The market has swept its low. There's engulfing too. So there is no issue here. We traded here and see or not. All right. So let's see. What does the market do? Look, the market has swept its low. So now if the market has to sweep its low, it will have to come bearish or this low will remain pending. So we keep it on day one, speed it up a bit, know that the market is bearish. The same engulfing has gone here. And if you see here, there is also a small engulfing here. This also makes it bullish. Look here, the bearish target is done. Look here, from where it went to here, the market's target is done. Look what the market is doing in the consolidation phase, until the market doesn't make its cycle, we won't make it bullish. How will it make the cycle which we are waiting for? For example, the market is coming down like this, coming down like this. The market should do this thing, it will do this too, meaning sell side will also be buy side, internal range will also be done. After this low, we will make it bullish. I am waiting for this thing. We also have the zone here. Look, this is also an engulfing zone. If our setup is made here, then this will be suitable for us for a long term thing. So here we will start it from the next class. So those who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel so that the upcoming videos in the gift also reach you. Do comment and let us know how you are finding this. All right, we will meet in the next video.